So I want Wi-Fi in the garage because look, we have Wi-Fi in the house, but I need it in the garage. And today I'm going to show you a way to get Wi-Fi into the garage. The reason why I need it is because we're doing permanent lights. We actually put the permanent light on this building. And so I need my two controllers to talk. And so I need a Wi-Fi signal. And so today we are going to do a system called a Powerline. And so we will install this on the router. I'll show you how to install it, and we will walk through and I'll show you if it's going to work or not, of how this will work and how you can get internet into your garage all the way from here. Now, as I've researched, there's several ways that you can do this. This is the easiest way to do it and probably the cheapest way to do it. I did try to do a Wi-Fi extender in the house, and it's not even getting me close to where I need to be at. So that is why we are going to show you how you can use this and put this together. So as we were saying, as we unbox this, we have our couple wires here, and basically how this works is this plugs into the wall. This gets plugged into the router on you have, and then we have this box here that is going to go into the garage, so that way it's going to send the Wi-Fi out. So today we're going to be installing that. So we got my box up here. You probably can't see it very well. And we actually installed the one right here. So this is the second part that goes out into the garage. We have amazing internet out here. It's super fast. We use the airport scan tool to see where our Wi-Fi is. It's at 37, which we need 60 to at least 60 to be able to run our box. So we got 60 to run our box because we're at 37. And even though we have this one and we have our extender in the house, we're able to get all on the same internet, so we can change the lights on this barn and the house at the same time, all by using this Powerline inverter here. So if you need power or for Wi-Fi, definitely I'll put a link down in there. I learned about it from YouTube by watching it. So hopefully this helps you out. If you are doing permanent lighting, you will be able to help and see that out for you also. So check out my next video if you want to learn more about permanent lights. Permanent lights are awesome. Christmas lights are awesome. Go check out christmaslights.io. Hope to see you in my next video.